This section discusses Canon 7, the second of two data quality canons. Canon 7. Provide all relevant data, definitions, and documentation to promote comprehensive understanding and accurate analysis when releasing information. Data handlers are ethically obligated to provide sufficient information for data users to reasonably interpret the meaning of data shared in reports and other publications. Data users need access to data definitions, formulas, methodologies, documentation, and other contextual information that influence use and interpretation. This is a delicate process. Too much detail or too technical an explanation can lead readers to throw up their hands and the report in frustration. No isolated piece of data is meaningful without related data that explain further, provide perspective, or otherwise serve as context for guiding interpretation. For example, test score is a piece of information used frequently in schools. But what does a value of 68 mean? Is it an individual score, a class average, or a national median? What is the passing score? Value judgments, whether a 68 on an exam is a good score, depend greatly on the related data that provide context in which meaning is assessed. No single piece of data can supply all the information needed to answer a policy question confidently. For example, consider two school districts. School A reports a high school graduation rate that has improved 3 points. School B has improved its graduation rate by 20 points. One might assume that the school with the 20-point increase is retaining students more effectively than the school with the 3-point increase. But 2 years ago, the baseline for improvement, School A's graduation rate was 90%, where School B's was 40%. Looking at data over time provides a context in which data users would see that the difference in improvement is probably affected to some degree by the starting points. It becomes harder to improve as any rate approaches the 100% ceiling. Recommended practices and training. Establish statistical standards and guidelines for data presentation in all public reports. Details of what such standards and guidelines should include can be found in the Canon 7 Recommended Practices and Training document. Subject draft reports to multiple reviews and share reviewers' comments with the authors. Train all data handlers to provide additional data and metadata in reports and correspondence as appropriate to improve data use and interpretation. Please be sure to read the Canon 7 Recommended Practices and Training document for more detailed explanations of these recommendations.